cargo ship. Houses everywhere. Just stacked everywhere. I don't know if there's space. There's not lines on the road. There's not crosswalks. That's not real here. That's the city. I haven't found if there's like one concentrated area. There just seems to be random large buildings everywhere. Oh, you can actually see our school. That's Bahçeşehir. Do you see it? It's like the, well, it's there. Right on the sea. So yeah.
Oh, that was